Tutorial: Dial-up Configuration. This tutorial will demonstrate how to create a dial-up network using the WAN cloud. Connect the PC's modem interface to the cloud's modem interface. Connect the router's modem interface to the cloud's other modem interface. Click on the cloud to configure its modem interfaces. Assign phone number 444 to the interface which is connected to the PC. Now click on the modem interface that is connected to the router to assign a phone number to the interface. Assign phone number 555 to the interface. CHAP authentication and an IP address have already been configured on the router as shown on the desktop. Assign an IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway to the PC. Click on the Desktop tab. Click here to create a dial-up connection. Enter test user for the username, test pass for the password, and 555 for the phone number. Click on the dial button to create the dial-up connection. The status message will indicate that the PC is connected. To verify the dial-up connection works, the PC should be able to ping the router. This ends the dial-up configuration tutorial.